everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about La Roche Posay Retinol B3 Face Serum. What are the different ingredients present in it, and is it worth purchasing this product? I am making the whole series of La Roche Posay face serums and what are the different ingredients present in it. So if you haven't liked this video and subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that and also click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. Also make sure that you follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. It helps me as an influencer to grow and also reach out to millions of people so that I can teach them how does the skincare formulation actually work. So now let's talk about the formulation of this Retinol B3 face serum. Again, a disappointment. I did make last two videos about La Roche Posay serums and I really didn't like their formulation. So this is no less. So let's start with the basic, that is packaging. Now it's a retinol. Now retinols should be packaged well. It should be in a pump bottle. I like retinols in a pump bottle as compared to a dropper bottle. Usually retinol, when it's coming in contact with the oxygen, it's not a good thing. So other than that, it's in a dropper bottle and I don't like the packaging. I don't like the price point because 30 ml of product costs $45 US. That is a lot to pay for a retinol. Trust me, in India, I take tretinoin and it is way more cheaper than this La Roche Posay retinol serum, which is like, I think in $2 or $3 US, I can get a bloody retinol, or that is pure form of retinol, that is tretinoin, as compared to paying $45 US for a not so well formulated retinol serum. Anyways, so I'll tell you why it's not well formulated. The first ingredient here was water, that is the La Roche Posay thermal spring water with essential micronutrients that is essential for the skin. Amazing. The second one is glycerin now. Glycerin is a humectant. It helps with the water holding binding properties into the skin and helps to moisturize the skin. Now the next ingredient, denatured alcohol. Yes, it's denatured alcohol, and denatured alcohol is not a good ingredient for dry skin type. Now when you apply retinol, your skin tends to get dry because there is transepidermal water loss. There is a huge progression of the new skin cells coming to the top layer. So your old skin cells are shedding and it's taking water with it. So that's how it's leading to dryness when you apply retinol. When you add denatured alcohol into the formulation with retinol, it just amplifies that effect. It becomes way more drying to the skin, which cannot be well tolerated by the normal to dry skin type people. So it's not well formulated. That's why I'm saying. I did even see that there was niacinamide, an all-rounder overachieving ingredient, which is less than 5%. So it helps with the fine lines reduction. It helps with the hyperpigmentation marks. It helps with the enlarged pores. So it's okay. This ingredient is good and it is in adequate concentration. So if you don't know, vitamin B3 is also known as niacinamide and it is having a lot of skin benefits. So that's why it's a very popular ingredient in skincare formulation. The next ingredient that I saw was dimethicone. Now dimethicone is a silicone-based ingredient. It helps with holding different ingredients together on the top layer of the skin so that it does its job. The next ingredient was hyaluronic acid. Now hyaluronic acid is also having the humectant properties and it helps with the water binding and moisturizing the skin. There was tocopherol as well. Now tocopherol is vitamin E, helps with the antioxidant properties, removal of the free radicals. At last, there was perfume. Now perfume is something I dislike. You are bringing new skin cells on the top layer using retinol and then you're applying perfume on it, especially when the skin is dry. And they say that it is allergy tested. That's really wonderful. I don't know what kind of dermatologist or the person they used for the formulation. It seems that it doesn't have a proper back science while making this. They did not consider a lot of parameters and it doesn't even say what type of skin type can even use it. Again, I won't suggest this serum for anyone and I am very disappointed by this formulation. I give it a very bad rating and I would not suggest anyone to use it. 45 euros investing into 30 ml of this product can just lead to your skin problems, and just you will be so disappointed to buy this product. So rather don't buy it and instead try retinol serums from The Ordinary, that is 0.2% of retinol serum with lower concentration, or you can even go for the minimalist retinol serum with less than 0.5% concentration if you're new to retinol world. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope I covered all the points. If I have lost something, ask your questions in the comment section down below, or also reach out to me on my Instagram handle. I will see you soon in another video. Take care guys, and bye.